We've really started to look at what we were giving away for free and started charging for it now. It's going to be about £90,000 in income for us a year. So the business has been around, it's been around for 30 years and it's survived for the past 30 years based on no marketing, word of mouth, and it's grown really well over the past 30 years. You know, we've got 1,500 properties, we've had 30 years of business, but a lot of our existing clients are starting to think about getting out of the letting industry now because of the increased legislation, which means that slowly but surely our managed figures started to go backwards rather than forwards. And the staff that we had in place weren't the kind of business generators, they weren't hungry for new business that we needed, and they didn't know how to do it. You know, we told them what we needed, we kept saying we need what we call new news all the time, but they like me, they didn't know what to do. We had 500 bronze landlords, or let-only landlords, and no one had ever picked up the phone and said, do you fancy being a managed landlord? They'd never rung them once in 30 years. We weren't moving forward, we were kind of stuck in this limbo. April and May were some of our lowest months we've had yet in terms of income and for move-ins. And I sat here one day and I said, I am not going to be the MD that lets this ship sink. We taught out all the branches of the Hustle Gang. It's really boosted the energy in there. They all get together, they play that music, they play like Either Tide before they start, and they all get up and they dance, and there's all this energy. I've taught all my managers the rant method now, so they are using that now when they go out on valuations and market appraisals. I've got one manager, and in the last 3 months she hasn't taken on a single let-only property. Every single property she's taken on has been on a managed basis. We've really started to look at what we were giving away for free and started charging for it now. It's going to be about £90,000 in income for us a year. We've managed to convert 15 let-only landlords to manage. Our take-on, so our instructions are up by 30% on the first quarter of last year. It makes me feel so happy now that we have started to turn it around, and the difference in my staff and the way that my staff are so much more positive and they are so much more new business orientated is brilliant to see. It's really good to see that they're on the same journey as me now. My managers are coming to me now with ideas for new business. They're coming to me and saying, oh Harry, we've got this idea, can we do this? And I'm like, I love the ideas, off you go, do it, go and do it all. And I just love the change in them, I think it's brilliant, and I'm really looking forward to the next few months. Last month was our highest month of move-ins for 14 months. That was 60 we did. We're on track to do 68 this month, so we're really kind of creeping up every single time and breaking records that we haven't done for 4 or 5 years. I've recently been told that I've been awarded the position of ALA Regional Representative, so it's really exciting for me that I've got that position, because it's something I've wanted to do for ages. And the really great thing is that I'm just starting. I've put in place a few of the things, but I'm nowhere near done at all. I've got so many more ideas that I want to get started, so all the successes we've already had is literally just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to come, which is really exciting.
The change is really hard, even for a new kid on the block like me. But it's worth it.
Angharad Truman!